One of the things we wanted was to have these bags be durable and to last for the rest of our lives. I've been designing bags for well over 25 years, probably hundreds and hundreds of bags, maybe thousands. And from lessons learned, what worked, what didn't work, is how I started building the framework for the Brown Buffalo. Each bag that we design is gone through rigorous testing, so many different iterations. Our materials are built to resist abrasion, repel water, and withstand the elements. Because a bag is more than just gear, it's a companion for your journey.